United States Army is undergoing one of the most significant transformations in its history as it reimagines the future of military aviation through an ambitious initiative known as the Future Vertical Lift Program. For decades, helicopters have been the backbone of Army aviation, enabling rapid troop movement, medical evacuation, supply delivery, and combat operations across diverse and often hostile environments. Among these aircraft, the UH-60 Black Hawk has stood as an iconic and reliable workhorse, serving in countless missions since its introduction in the late 1970s. However, despite its proven track record and continuous upgrades, the Black Hawk and other legacy platforms are increasingly constrained by the limitations of older technology, including restricted speed, limited range, and growing maintenance demands. As modern warfare evolves and the operational environment becomes more complex and unpredictable, the Army recognizes that it must move beyond incremental improvements and embrace a new generation of aircraft designed from the ground up to meet future challenges. The Future Vertical Lift Program represents this bold vision, aiming to deliver a family of next-generation aircraft that can operate faster, fly farther, and survive in highly contested environments where traditional helicopters may struggle. At its core, the program is about redefining what vertical lift platforms can achieve, combining cutting-edge engineering, advanced materials, and digital technologies to create aircraft that are not only more capable, but also more adaptable and sustainable over their life cycle. The need for such transformation is driven by the realities of modern conflict, where adversaries are developing sophisticated air defense systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and long-range weapons that can threaten slower, shorter-range helicopters. In such an environment, speed and range are not just advantages, they are essential for survival and mission success. One of the key goals of the program is to significantly increase the operational reach of Army aviation. Traditional helicopters like the Black Hawk typically cruise at speeds of around 150 to 180 miles per hour and have a limited range without refueling. While these capabilities have been sufficient for many past operations, future missions may require forces to be deployed across vast distances, often in regions where forward bases are scarce or vulnerable. By developing aircraft that can travel much faster and farther, the Army aims to reduce its reliance on forward staging areas, increase its strategic flexibility, and respond more rapidly to emerging threats anywhere in the world. This extended reach also enhances survivability, as aircraft can spend less time exposed to enemy defenses and can approach targets from unexpected directions. In addition to speed and range, the Future Vertical Lift Program emphasizes advanced technology integration to ensure that these new aircraft can operate effectively in complex and contested environments. This includes the incorporation of sophisticated avionics, sensors, and communication systems that provide pilots with enhanced situational awareness and enable seamless coordination with other units across the battlefield. Modern aircraft under this program are expected to be highly networked, capable of sharing real-time data with ground forces, other aircraft, and command centers. This level of connectivity is crucial for maintaining an advantage in modern warfare, where information dominance can be as important as firepower. Another critical aspect of the program is survivability. Future battlefields are expected to be saturated with advanced threats, including radar-guided missiles, infrared tracking systems, and electronic jamming technologies. To address these challenges, the next generation of vertical lift aircraft is being designed with a range of defensive features, such as reduced radar and infrared signatures, advanced countermeasures, and improved damage tolerance. These enhancements are intended to allow aircraft to operate in environments where current platforms might be at significant risk, ensuring that missions can be carried out even in the face of determined opposition. The program also places a strong emphasis on sustainability and maintainability. Legacy aircraft often require extensive maintenance and logistical support, which can limit their availability and increase operational costs. In contrast, the new generation of aircraft is being designed with modular components, advanced diagnostics, and predictive maintenance systems that can identify potential issues before they become critical. This approach not only reduces downtime, but also lowers the overall cost of ownership. making it more feasible to sustain a highly capable fleet over the long term. Additionally, the use of digital engineering and open systems architecture allows for easier upgrades and integration of new technologies as they become available, ensuring that these aircraft can evolve alongside emerging threats and mission requirements. Training and human-machine interaction are also key considerations in the future vertical lift program. Modern aircraft are becoming increasingly complex, and ensuring that pilots and crew members can operate them effectively is essential. To address this, the Army is investing in advanced simulation and training systems that provide realistic and immersive environments for skill development. At the same time, the design of the aircraft themselves is focused on reducing pilot workload through automation and intuitive interfaces, allowing crews to focus more on mission execution and less on managing the aircraft. This balance between human expertise and technological assistance is critical for maximizing performance and safety in high-stress combat situations. The transformation envisioned by the future vertical lift program extends beyond individual aircraft to the broader concept of how the Army conducts air operations. By fielding a family of platforms with varying capabilities, the Army aims to create a more flexible and resilient aviation force that can adapt to a wide range of missions, from high-intensity combat to humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. This modular approach allows for greater interoperability between different aircraft types and ensures that the right platform can be deployed for each specific task. It also enables more efficient use of resources, as aircraft can be tailored to meet the unique demands of different operational scenarios. Furthermore, the program reflects a shift toward a more integrated and joint approach to military operations. Future vertical lift aircraft are expected to operate not only within the Army but also in coordination with other branches of the U.S. military and allied forces. This requires a high degree of compatibility in terms of communication systems, data sharing, and operational procedures. By designing aircraft with these considerations in mind, the Army is helping to build a more cohesive and effective joint force capable of addressing complex global challenges. The significance of the future vertical lift program goes beyond technological advancement. It represents a strategic investment in maintaining the Army's competitive edge in an increasingly contested world. As potential adversaries continue to modernize their own military capabilities, the ability to project power quickly and effectively becomes ever more important. By developing aircraft that can overcome the limitations of current platforms and operate in environments that were previously considered too dangerous or inaccessible, the Army is positioning itself to meet the demands of future conflicts with confidence and capability. At the heart of this transformation is the recognition that mobility is a decisive factor in modern warfare. The ability to move troops, equipment, and supplies presurat and efficiently can determine the outcome of a mission and ultimately the success of a campaign. By investing in next-generation vertical lift technology, the Army is not only enhancing its current capabilities but also laying the foundation for a new era of aviation that will shape the battlefield for decades to come. The future vertical lift program is therefore not just about replacing aging helicopters. It is about redefining the very concept of vertical flight and unlocking new possibilities for how military forces operate in the air and on the ground. As development continues, and these advanced aircraft move closer to operational deployment, the impact of this program is expected to be profound. From increased speed and range to enhanced survivability and integration, the next generation of vertical lift platforms promises to deliver capabilities that were once considered out of reach. In doing so, it will ensure that the United States Army remains at the forefront of military aviation, ready to meet the challenges of an uncertain and rapidly changing world. The MV-75, formerly known as the V-280 Valor, represents a bold leap forward in military aviation technology and stands as one of the most advanced aircraft concepts ever developed for the modern battlefield. Selected under the United States Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft Program, this powerful Tiltrotor platform is designed to redefine how troops are transported, how missions are executed, and how air mobility supports operations across vast and contested environments. Unlike traditional helicopters that rely solely on rotating blades for both lift and forward movement. The MV-75 introduces a hybrid approach that combines the best qualities of helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft into a single, highly versatile machine. At the core of the MV-75's innovation is its tiltrotor design, which allows its large rotors to rotate between vertical and horizontal positions. During takeoff and landing, the rotors are positioned upward, enabling the aircraft to lift off and land vertically just like a helicopter. This capability is crucial for operations in confined or undeveloped areas where runways are unavailable, such as dense urban environments, mountainous regions, or remote forward operating bases. Once airborne, the rotors tilt forward, transforming the aircraft into a high-speed, fixed-wing-like platform capable of flying much faster and farther than conventional helicopters. This seamless transition between vertical and horizontal flight modes is what gives the MV-75 its unique advantage and makes it a game changer for military operations. Speed is one of the most significant improvements offered by the MV-75. Traditional helicopters typically cruise at relatively modest speeds, which can limit their effectiveness in time-sensitive missions or when operating in environments where threats are rapidly evolving. The MV-75, by contrast, is designed to achieve much higher cruising speeds, allowing it to cover greater distances in less time. This increased speed not only enhances mission efficiency, but also improves survivability by reducing the time the aircraft spends exposed to enemy defenses. In modern warfare, where adversaries may employ advanced radar systems, surface-to-air missiles, and electronic warfare capabilities, the ability to move quickly and unpredictably can mean the difference between mission success and failure. Range is another critical factor where the MV-75 excels. The aircraft is engineered to travel significantly longer distances without the need for refueling, enabling it to operate across expansive theaters of operation. This extended range reduces the reliance on forward refueling points, which can be vulnerable to attack and logistically challenging to maintain. By allowing troops to be deployed directly from distant bases to their objectives, the MV-75 enhances strategic flexibility and enables commanders to respond more effectively to emerging threats. It also opens up new possibilities for mission planning, as forces can approach targets from unexpected directions or conduct operations deep behind enemy lines with greater confidence. The MV-75 is not just about speed and range. It is also designed with a strong focus on payload, capacity, and operational versatility. The aircraft can carry a substantial number of troops, along with their equipment, making it ideal for air assault missions, troop insertions, and extractions. In addition to personnel transport, it can be configured for a variety of other roles, including medical evacuation, logistics support, and special operations. This adaptability ensures that the MV-75 can meet a wide range of mission requirements, providing commanders with a flexible and reliable tool for addressing diverse operational challenges. Advanced technology plays a central role in the MV-75's capabilities. The aircraft is equipped with modern avionics and flight control systems that enhance performance, safety, and ease of operation. Digital fly-by-wire controls allow for precise handling and stability, even in challenging flight conditions. Sophisticated navigation and communication systems enable seamless integration with other assets on the battlefield, ensuring that the MV-75 can operate as part of a larger networked force. This connectivity allows for real-time information sharing, improved situational awareness, and better coordination between air and ground units, all of which are essential for success in modern combat scenarios. Survivability is a key consideration. In the design of the MV-75, the aircraft is expected to operate in environments where threats are both numerous and advanced, requiring a combination of passive and active defense measures. These may include features designed to reduce the aircraft's visibility to radar and infrared sensors, as well as systems that can detect and counter incoming threats. The goal is to ensure that the MV-75 can complete its missions, even in the face of significant danger, providing a reliable means of transport for troops and equipment in high-risk situations. Another important aspect of the MV-75 is its emphasis on efficiency and maintainability. Military aircraft are often required to operate in harsh conditions with limited support, making reliability and ease of maintenance critical factors. The MV-75 is designed with modern engineering approaches that prioritize modular components and streamlined maintenance procedures. This means that parts can be replaced or repaired more quickly, reducing downtime and increasing the availability of the aircraft for missions. Additionally, the use of advanced materials and manufacturing techniques helps to improve durability while keeping overall weight manageable, contributing to better performance and fuel efficiency. The introduction of the MV-75 also reflects a broader shift in how the military approaches air mobility. In the past, different types of aircraft were often required to perform different roles, leading to a more fragmented and less efficient force structure. With platforms like the MV-75, there is a move toward multi-role capabilities, where a single aircraft can perform a variety of missions depending on its configuration. This not only simplifies logistics and training, but also provides greater flexibility in how resources are allocated and used during operations. Training and human factors are also integral to the successful deployment of the MV-75. Pilots and crew members must be able to operate the aircraft effectively in both helicopter-like and airplane-like flight modes, which requires specialized training and a deep understanding of its unique characteristics. To support this, advanced simulators and training programs are being developed to prepare personnel for the demands of operating such a sophisticated platform. At the same time, the aircraft's design incorporates user-friendly interfaces and automation features that help reduce workload and improve overall safety, allowing crews to focus more on mission execution. The impact of the MV-75 extends beyond the battlefield to include humanitarian and disaster response operations. In situations where infrastructure has been damaged or destroyed, the ability to deliver aid quickly and efficiently can save lives and alleviate suffering. The MV-75's combination of vertical takeoff capability, high speed, and long range makes it well suited for such missions, enabling it to reach affected areas and deliver essential supplies, medical personnel, and evacuation support. This versatility underscores the broader value of the aircraft as not only a tool for combat but also a critical asset for supporting a wide range of missions. As the MV-75 moves closer to becoming an operational reality, it symbolizes a new era in vertical lift aviation. It represents the culmination of years of research, development, and innovation aimed at overcoming the limitations of traditional aircraft and unlocking new possibilities for how air power is used. By combining the agility of a helicopter with the speed and efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft, the MV-75 offers a level of performance that was once considered unattainable. Ultimately, the MV-75 is more than just a replacement for older platforms. It is a transformative capability that has the potential to reshape the way military operations are conducted. Its advanced design, enhanced performance, and multi-role flexibility make it a cornerstone of the Army's vision for the future. As global security challenges continue to evolve, the need for fast, reliable, and adaptable air mobility solutions will only grow, and the MV-75 is poised to meet that need with unmatched capability and innovation.